students, now I want to solve problem number 4 and problem number 3 of study material and problem number 4 of NCERT. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. What is 30 degree? This angle AC is 30 degree and AB is tower. So what do you observe? We observe that observer is here and object is up and observer is down. So this angle BC is angle of elevation. This is 30 degree. So now you have to find the height of the tower. So my dear student, now it is clear. What you have to find? AB. What is given? BC. With respect to this angle 30 degree, AB is perpendicular, BC is base. So you will take tan 30. So now what you have to find? AB. AB ऊपर में लिए, BC दिया हुआ है नीचे में लिए. AB is equal to BC into 1 by root 3. And after simplifying, we have 30 root 3 by t. That is 10 root 3 meter. Here we rationalize it by multiplying root 3 by root 3, numerator and denominator. And we get answer 10 root 3 meter. Therefore, the height of the tower is 10 into root 3 meter. My dear students, now I want to solve the problem number 5 of NCERT and study material, problem number 4. A kite is flying at a height of 10 meter, at a height of 10 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. My dear students, let K be the kite. K be the kite and the string is tied to point O on the ground. We want to find OK. OK. This angle is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. AK is 60 meter. AK is 60 meter. This distance is student, here a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter. So instead of 10, here 60 meter above the ground. Now come to the point. We want to find OK. So now, and what is given? AK. OK by AK. OK by AK with respect to this angle 60 degree. We will take cosec 60 degree. Cosec 60 degree is equal to how much? Cosec 60 degree is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. So we will take here OK is hypotenuse and AK is perpendicular. So OK is equal to AK into cosec 60 degree. That is 60 into 2 by root 3. And after rationalizing, we will get 40 root 3 meter. So the length of the string is 40 into root 3 meter. All are one steps problem, my dear students. So now we want to solve the problem number 6 of NCERT and problem number 5 of study material. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from the edge to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. As he walks toward the building, find the distance he walked toward the building. My dear student, this AB is boy, whose height is 1.5 meter, and CD, this is building of height 30 meter. And now at the point B, the angle of elevation of the top of the building is 30 degree, and after walking the distance B, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Now we have to find B. क्या निकालना है? B निकालना है. तो सीधी सी बात है, B इज इक्वल टू BF माइनस EF, BF माइनस EF. And how will you find BF? CF is given. How CF is given? Because it is given that the height of the building is 30 meter and height of the boy is AB is 1.5 meter, and ADFB is a rectangle, so FD is also 1.5 meter, and subtracting from 30 meter from 1.5 we will get CF. We will get CF. So CF is 57 by 2 meter. CF is DC. DC is 30 minus DF. DF is 1.5. And after subtracting we have 57 by 2 meter. CF is 57 by 2 meter. So my dear student, from right angle triangle EFC we determine EF. We determine EF. Cot 60 degree is equal to EF by CF. We want to find what? EF. EF क्या हुआ? बेस हुआ. और ये क्या हुआ? CF. परपेंडिकुलर. CF दिया हुआ है, CF नीचे, EF ऊपर. तो इस तरह EF is equal to how much? Cot 60 degree is equal to EF by CF. The value of cot 60 is 1 by root 3. And EF, CF is equal to 57 by 2, we have already determined. Now EF is equal to 57 by 2 into 1 by root 3. So my dear student, in this way, after simplification, the value of EF is 19 root 3 by 2 meter. Therefore B is equal to BF minus EF. BF minus EF. So from right angle triangle BFE, cot 30 degree is equal to BF by CF, and that is BF is equal to CF cot 30 degree, that is root 3 into 57 by 2, that is BF is equal to 57 by 2 into root 3. So my dear students, from first and second we have B is equal to BE is equal to BF minus EF. So after subtracting we will get the value of B is equal to 19 into root 3 meter. So when the angle of elevation changes from 30 to 60, this distance is covered by the boy. Covered by the boy. So my dear student, in this way we can solve the problem. Now I want to solve next problem. My dear student, the angle of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of tower, 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower, and in the same straight line, right same straight line with an angle of complementary, with an angle of complementary. Find the height of the tower is 6 meter. Answer is given. Try to understand the problem. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points D and C, suppose, at a distance of 4 meter from the foot of tower. This C is 4 meter and D is 9 meter from the base of the tower. And in the same straight line with it are complementary. Find the height of the tower is 6 meter. Is 6 meter. ये जो एंगल बना रहा है वो क्या है, एक दूसरे का कंप्लीमेंट्री है. मतलब यहाँ थीटा थी, यहाँ 90 माइनस थीटा. So find the height of the tower. This problem is very, very important for multiple type of question. Suppose BC is A and BD is B. Then what will be the height? So you try to in your mind this particular problem. In triangle ABC, AB by BC. Tan theta is equal to AB by BC. We want AB. So we will take tan theta. So AB is equal to BC into tan theta. And BC is equal to 4. So AB is equal to 4 into tan theta. In right angle triangle, ABD, tan 90 minus theta is equal to AB by BD. That is AB by 9. So cot theta is equal to AB by 9. So AB is equal to 9 cot theta second. So multiplying first and second, we have AB square is equal to 4 tan theta into 9 cot theta. AB square is equal to 36 tan theta into cot theta. AB square is equal to 36. AB square is equal to 6 square. And AB is equal to 6. The height of the tower is 6 meter. Height of the tower is 6 meter. 9 into 4. So instead of here A and here B, BC is A and BD is B, then height will be square root of AB. Square root of AB. Here AB is equal to root over 36. Root over 36. Where 9 is the distance from B to D and 4 is the distance from B, C. So instead of 4, suppose A, and instead of BD, 9, suppose B. So what will be the height? H is equal to root AB. H is equal to root AB. So A is equal to 4, B is equal to 9. This is 36. So height will be 6 meter. My dear students, in this way you can solve so many questions by applying this formula. Thank you. Thank you very much.